Hello, yeah, this is James. So this will be the video on KVK troop formation. So for it, you must start with few things that first you check your airship and this your guards are okay. You must be on your battle gear. Okay, so your equipment must be Y equipment before you're going to do it. Now I'm going for a KVK troop formation to create highest possible damage, optimum possible damage with whatever the troops I'm having. This castle is C29, it's Kingdom 471. So now I'm going to start. I will put it in. Also one more thing that you need to check your guards. So what are the guards you have assigned? My two guards are Inez and Winter. These two will be having the highest level, so I will put those. Each will give me 11,000 bonus march cap, and each will give me 11,000 bonus march cap, and they all are maxed. The guard abilities possible right here. So as I told you that you must be on war gear, and your guards, best guards will be appointed, should be appointed, as well as should lead your march. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll put it on number 5. I will wait, let me check. I'll put it on number 7. Number 6. 7 is 0. So I'll put it on number 7. So now this is the cards. I'm going to take these two, and one is 1 starred. Still I use it because of the abilities. No artilleries I'm going to take, and it's still no artilleries are needed at all, more or less, because it will be not that useful in this current formation. It's 272k, around 273k without boost is the is what it is right now. So one thing you must remember that you need to have the highest tiers of troops possible to earn more points. So this is how I'm going to do. I will send some lower tiers for KVK only. This is for KVK, not at all anything else. So I'll put 1000 cavalry, this T1 cavalries, and this T2 is 100, distance is 100. This one is 1000 again, infantry. So this is how T1s are done. T2, this is 2,500. I'm talking about distance. T2 2,500. This is 1,500. These troops are going to die. This is again T2 250. Sorry, 250 no, 500. Now 2,500. This distance T3, and this 2,000, 1,000. And this will be 500 again. This will be 100. This will be 1,500, and this will be 200. Just these troops gonna die. Now this will be 5,000 from my end. This will be 500. This will be 1,000 if I have the troops. This will be 5. I'm just coding it myself. This will be 7,500 and I'll make it 8,000. So this will be 2,000. I'll give it. This will be sacrificed, by the way. I'll send 2,500 of these, but this will be sacrificed again. So I'll put 1,000. Then this one will be 1,000 too, and I'll send this kind T7. This 5,000 of I'm having 4,000, so I'll send 2,500. Now this T8 distance. Now T8 distance I'll send only 10,000, and T8 cavalries I will send it 40,000. Now this spearman, they will die for sure. I'll send 15,000. Then T9 distance I'm having it. I'll send 75,000 here. Then 20,000 of T9 cavalry. This will die again, and rest will be infantry T11. So this is how I saved it, and I will with the boost I will get around 20,000 of bonus with March cap and 20% boosters. I'm going to show it to you. I'm keeping it, saving this March cap, colossal March, this talent, and this booster I will use. Where it is, yeah, March capacity. I may use this or this, whatever. This 25% of the castle over the castle will be given. So now with that I will. This is why I have started with the bottommost. What's wrong? I already done it. Yeah, 272k. So there's a bug, I think. This is why this changed. This changed the whole thing. You must. Okay, I'll add these. So I'll put it like this. I'm going to save it. I don't know whether it will be saved or not, because okay. And the moment I will have all these boosters ready, I will just send my march. That's it. I'll send my march with the boosters. I'll just increase the top tiers distance, and then those are T9s with me, and you can add T11 distance, whatever the numbers you are having with